Hi guys, and welcome to this video. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install the Eclipse IDE, which we're going to use in programming Java. So what we're going to want to do is just search for Eclipse on Google, and then we're just going to go to the download page, and let's click on download 64-bit. I'm going to hit the download button right here. Okay, so once the download is done, we're going to open our installer. Okay, so we want to actually install the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So I'm going to click on this, and then we're going to choose our JDK. So we're actually using JDK 14, which we installed earlier. So let's hit the install button. Okay, so now the installation is complete. So we're going to click on the launch button to open the Eclipse IDE. Okay, here we go. This is our Eclipse IDE. So that's it guys for this tutorial, and see you in the next one.